Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SLP. On the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that the price of SLP has already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern, and after that, we had a very powerful rally, by the way, from this low to this high. It was almost a more than 550% rally, but the price could not break out this resistance zone that started from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously acting as a support zone here. And again, after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone. And if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently, a few weeks ago, even a few months ago, we broke out this big and long-term down channel, and after a short pump, the price was stuck inside in another down channel. Now, recently we have broken out this channel, and after that we had another rally, but the price could not break out this resistance on that start from 269 and goes to $0.003. That was previously acting as a resistance on here, support, and for several weeks, it had been acting as a resistance on here, and now again, it is acting as a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of September 2025. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for TST, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 15th of September. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that the price of SLP first broke out this channel, and after a short rally, it was stuck inside in another down channel. And after the breakout, we had another very nice rally. We have already crossed up the target for the breakout from the smaller down channel, but still not able to break out, to hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel. That target is, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.006. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance that was previously acting as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here, and resistance here in the month of August 2022 as well. And we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern on the 7 day time frame chart as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 8 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.